Hi guys. There's one thing I've realized over my years of coaching and talking to women. Most women have absolutely no idea of how to make their man feel powerful and capable just by using their words and the way that they talk to him. Men are very simple creatures, and part of who they become is based on the affirmations you make over them. To be treated how you want, you have to inspire and speak to him the way he needs. In order to do this, you have to do three main things. One, get on his level. People have a natural affinity to those who they feel are the most like them. This is important because it lets him feel seen and understood. It's a very comforting thing when you know someone understands what you're going through. Number two, acknowledge him. Part of speaking to the king in him is letting him know that you respect and support him. He won't say it, but men need more support than women do. Let him know that you understand his plight of just simply being a man. This doesn't have to be anything extensive. For example, when I'm in a relationship, I try to never let a day go by without telling my man, I appreciate all you do for me. What can I do for you? Something that simple will have astronomical effects on how he sees and feels about you. You'd be surprised how many men are walking around craving that attention and appreciation for the little things they do. Something as simple as walking on the outside of the sidewalk or opening the door for you is something he puts so much conscious thought into. So it's imperative that you show recognition and appreciation for these small gestures. Men also measure their self-esteem by their status, and you can be the conduit for that status by complimenting him both privately and in front of his friends and family. Like it or not, a man's ego is extremely important for him, and you can learn how to use it to make him feel loved and respected around his people. Number three, elevate him past his current level. You have to be extremely careful with this one because if you don't position yourself correctly, this can come off that you're trying to emasculate and belittle him. For example, let's say your man is in between jobs and looking for work but can't find anything. Saying, why haven't you found a job yet? Hits different than, babe, I'll help you look for a job. Or, babe, look at these jobs I ran across today. You want to take a look at them? It's imperative that you tailor your words, questions, and tonality to help him elevate the level that he's currently at. In other words, speak life into him, not judgment. This unfortunately grates against too many women's egos because it involves submission. Here's the thing. Men have an innate craving to feel in charge and respected. They like to feel like the man of the house, and they love getting a chance to flex their capabilities every opportunity they get. Isn't it obvious why asking a guy for help about something trivial is one surefire indirect way women try to approach men they like? Even as much as asking a man for his opinion or deferring to his authority and expertise puts him on a higher pedestal, and that inspires him to work to deserve it. A lot of women claim to want a man who's a leader, but wait for a second and think to yourself what a leader is and what it requires. A leader is loved, but also has a great deal of responsibility and a large degree of authority. He's wise and compassionate to the people underneath his care, while at the same time instilling values and competencies required to keep the dynasty running at optimal sufficiency. The paradigm of most successful relationships follows this hierarchical order. Complimenting your man occasionally, stroking his ego, and deferring to his opinion is a great way to make him feel like the leader he is. And rest assured, he will see your efforts and treat you like his better half in return. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.